Greetings and hello to all the dear audience of Dr. Sage. There have been many requests for this video and the amount of searches and confusion surrounding this topic is so great that I decided to address penis enlargement from a medical perspective. Many people ask, what about pills? Which pills should we take to make our penis longer? And what about surgery? Does surgery for size enhancement really exist? In this video I will answer all these questions and discuss how to achieve a longer and larger penis. If you're not yet subscribed to Dr. Sage's channel, please do so and activate the notification bell so you'll be alerted when I upload new videos. Your support means a lot to me and it would energize me greatly if you watch the video until the end and give it a like. First of all, it's important to know what the average length of a normal penis is. The average size of an erection is approximately 13 centimeters. Therefore, a penis that measures around 13 centimeters or more is considered completely normal. However, if it measures less than 8 centimeters, it falls into the category of small and abnormal sizes, commonly referred to as a micropenis. Now, if you want to make your penis longer, what can you do? Let's start with pills. The first thing that comes to mind for anyone is, what pill should we take to make our penis bigger? It seems that the pharmaceutical industry has a medication for everything and presents it to us in pill form. While there are enhancer and hardness pills as well as those that increase sexual performance, which indeed have side effects. It has not been scientifically proven to date that any pill or supplement can increase the length of your penis. So wherever you see this claim, know that it's a lie. Now, what is the most effective way to lengthen the penis? The most effective method for penis enlargement is surgery. If you look at the anatomy of this area, you'll find that there is a ligament at the top of the penis, which is cut during the surgery. This procedure makes the penis appear longer. And if you think it's that easy, you're mistaken, because after this surgery, you must prevent the reattachment of this ligament. How? By attaching a weight to the end of your penis for several hours a day. Even just thinking about it is painful. However, if this method appeals to you, make sure to consult a qualified urologist to be fully aware of the potential complications and risks associated with this procedure. Another method that is heavily advertised and has a variety of tools available every year is penis size enhancement through stretching. Does pulling on our penis enough lead to an increase in its length? According to the research I've conducted, you can add a maximum of 3 centimeters to your penis length with this method, which is good. But what is the downside of this method? The problem is that you have to use these traction device daily for several hours. This means that every day you must have a traction device on your penis for several months to eventually achieve a size increase of 1.5 to 3 centimeters. Many people attempt this, but naturally it's impossible for many. So what's the solution? Vacuum devices or penile pumps. These pumps draw blood into the penis and inflate it. So the primary purpose of this method is more for treating erectile dysfunction than for increasing the length of the penis. These pumps only temporarily make your penis appear larger, and prolonged use can damage the elastic tissues in your penis, gradually leading to reduced erectile function. The next method is penile stretching, known as Jelking. By performing this technique, you create a microscopic tears in the skin tissue, which makes your penis appear longer. In this method, you form a ring with your thumb and index finger, place it at the base of your penis and gradually pull. Currently, there is no research that proves the effectiveness of this method, but many people perform it multiple times a day, and it is considered a recognized treatment. Now, what method has been researched and proven? The method I want to mention doesn't require surgery or prolonged stretching of the penis for months, as it is an injectable method. PRP injection, which is rich in growth factors, also promotes natural rejuvenation. A study involving 58 volunteers showed that with PRP injection, there is a possibility of 3 cm increase in penis size. Unfortunately, apart from this study, I haven't found anything else to share with you. After PRP, we also have hyaluronic acid filler injections like Restylane and Juvederm, which is definitely work, and their effects last between 6 months to 2 years, which is great. However, this method is more effective in increasing the girth of the penis rather than its length. So, if injectable methods are what you're considering, make sure to have the procedure done by a skilled and experienced doctor. Injecting carelessly into the blood vessels of the penis can potentially lead to severe complications, including the loss of the penis or even fatal consequences. The last thing you want is to go to a doctor for size enhancement and come back without your penis. Well, those were the invasive methods I mentioned. Now I want to introduce 3 simpler methods that can genuinely make your penis appear bigger and longer. Number 1. Shaving. The more hair there is in that area, the smaller your penis will look. By shaving, your penis will definitely appear longer. Number 2. Shrink your belly. You've probably heard that overweight individuals tend to appear to have smaller penises, and this is due to the accumulation of fat in the abdominal and lower abdominal area. Number 3. Lifestyle changes. Maintaining a healthy weight, reducing stress, and increasing fitness can improve sexual performance and ultimately lead to a better perception of the size and shape of your penis. Fat can hide a significant portion of your penis, and having thick thighs can exacerbate this situation. Just imagine that the upper right and the left side of your poor penis are covered by fat. It's clear that your penis will get lost among all that fat. So if you're struggling with obesity, losing weight will definitely give you a longer looking penis. It won't even take 3 months. And with no intense workouts or feeling of hunger, you can eliminate all the fat from your abdomen, love handles, thighs, and buttocks. How? With the dietary approach that I'll discuss in upcoming videos. If this video was useful for you, be sure to subscribe as there are more videos waiting to enrich your knowledge. Click like on the video so I know it was useful to you. If you have any questions or if you are feeling unwell and can't make it to the doctor's office, feel free to write them in the comments below. I will definitely try to respond to your inquiries. Until the next video, take care and adios.